Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back here on Journey with Jean and Red. So while we're here at the corner waiting for a jeepney, Red and I witnessed this accident here. But the good thing is there's no injured of people. So the guy in the purple one and that guy also. This is really what happened when it's very traffic during peak hour. So I don't know whether they are just, talking because the other one is going inside and the other one is coming from here. So who do you think, guys? So who do you think is the culprit of this? Well, it became a blind spot because the other guy can't see that there is an incoming motorbike. So I guess they're waiting for a traffic enforcer to settle them. So this guy in the wearing purple t-shirt is going this way, and this guy with the orange rust color is going this way. So I don't know. And then this is the highway, guys. I hope they will just, settle it between themselves. The guy in the purple has a little bit of injured, just a small scratch on his feet, on his knee. It takes eternity for a traffic enforcer to come here, guys. So I'll just end my video here. So this is how traffic Cebu City is. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.